today I'm going to make one of my favorite oatmeals. I just love it because it doesn't require any additional sweetener, and it's also going to be a high protein oatmeal that has about 25 grams of protein in it. So it's going to be really good macros, a lot of fiber and omega 3s, and just so many good nutrients. It's just so good. I'm going to do this on the stove today. I usually go in the microwave and do it that way, but I have a little extra time this morning, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to start with these old-fashioned rolled oats. For a milk or liquid, you could use water if you want, but I'm going to use a plant-based milk, and this one is soy milk. And I like using soy milk because it has a lot of good fats, high in protein. There's 9 grams per cup. This is going to be sweetened, not with maple syrup or any kind of sugars or anything, but with a banana. So I've mashed up a banana, nice, very mashed. And yeah, and I used about a half a banana, but you can adjust that to your preferences. So I think this amount is going to be just fine. So yeah, this ends up being a quarter of a cup. Protein powder. You are getting protein and a lot of nutrients in the other ingredients, but I like to add it because it adds some additional flavor. This is a protein powder that I like. It's this brand Earth Chimp. Maybe someday they'll sponsor one of my videos. And because I really do love them, I use them all the time. Like, this is my go-to protein powder. So it has like really good ingredients. I'm gonna just use 1 scoop of this. So that's about 2.5 tablespoons, and that's going to give me 10 grams of protein, and yeah, and some good fiber too. And yeah, so I'm going to do that. And this is a vanilla one flavor, so I really like the vanilla flavor in this too. It's a really nice compliment. And then I've got some toppings, so I'm going to share those with you in a bit once we have the oatmeal ready. And yeah, so we're just going to get everything in the pot here and get it cooking on the stove. Let's get started with our milk, the mashed bananas, our oats, our protein powder, this is the ground flax. It has all these omegas in there, such good nutrients. Protein, it's got all kinds of good fiber. And these are powerhouses, these blueberries. Get them all in there. They're so good. I was going to make it look pretty with them all on one side, but you know. And obviously you can put nuts and seeds. You can drizzle it with anything you want. Actually, I was going to put some cinnamon on top. You can put any kind of nut butter. Like, I like to add pumpkin seeds too sometimes. And yeah, it's so good. So that's our little oatmeal bowl today, this morning. Protein packed. I'll include the actual quantities that I used and the macros in the description. If that's something you'd like to see, I'll include that. And yeah, so let's try it. That's delicious. That banana gives that nice sweetness to it. It doesn't even taste overly banana-y to me. Again, I put that protein powder in here, so it gives us the vanilla and some additional flavors, cinnamon in that protein powder. There's a lot of other good stuff in there. So yeah, so it's so good. I hope you'll try this and enjoy it. And drop a comment. Let me know in the comments when you do, or any thoughts that you have. Also, after breakfast, I'm sure you're going to need lunch. So I have some lunch recipes and ideas for you here in this video. And so be sure to check those out if you'd like. And hopefully I will see you next time. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy videos like this. And yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. There's like so much I want to say when I do these videos, and then I don't think of it when I'm filming, because I don't always script these videos. I don't know if you could tell. Probably can. But yeah, but there's so many things that I want to say and share. I just love this vegan lifestyle, and I think it's so good, healthy, and feels good. And I enjoy helping out the planet and the animals and everything. So, so yeah, so I just want to share it all with you guys.